So, excuse me. So, we were looking at the synthesis of dicyclomine hydrochloride. The starting material for the synthesis of dicyclomine hydrochloride is, please mute yourself. So, what is the name? Number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. At both the ends, we have bromide ions attached to it. So, dibromo pentane. So, 1 comma 5 dibromo pentane. This is the starting material with along with benzyl nitrile. So what is it? CN, okay, CH2, and a phenyl ring is benzyl nitride. It is added with sodamide, sodium from soda and amide. Okay, sodamide. NaNH2 is called as sodamide. So what it will do? It will fuse both the rings. It will cyclize dibromo pentane with that of benzonitrile. Okay, so we'll get the starting two cycles. First, a phenyl ring along with the cyclohexane will be there, and CN will be retained. Okay, to this we'll add ethanol. To this we'll add ethanol. From ethanol, sorry, H3O plus ions are utilized in order to induce polarity. Okay, so in order to extract nitrile group and attach the ester group, so here we are doing esterification. Okay, we'll get the following cycle. Instead of CN, you will have an ester, ethyl ester. COO, C2, H5. Okay, fine. So here we'll again add the side chain. What is that side chain? This amino group have two ethyl groups. So NN diethyl amino, okay, sodium ethonate. This is added. From this, what is removed? C2H5 sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate is removed. So what we'll get? We'll get this N diethyl amino group attached to our earlier intermediate. Now we have to elaborately write CH2, CH2. Okay. And to this attached is amino group. Both sides it is two ethyl groups. Okay, so we have got hydrogenated or reduced. So am I still there? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So power has come back. I saw some disturbance finally. So this intermediate, if compared to the final structure, we have everything that is required to be a final structure of dicyclomine, but only thing is we need to remove those double bonds. Those double bonds can be removed by adding hydrogens. Okay, adding hydrogens is hydrogenation. Hydrogenation can also be called as reduction. So what we do, we use hydrogen gas and a catalyst, that is platinum, to reduce it to get dicyclomine. So what is the structure of dicyclomine? Two cyclohexanes attached together, and it has an ester linkage continued with ethyl link that is directly attached to amino group. That amino group is having two ethyl groups substituted on the nitrogen. So this is the structure of dicyclomine. So the steps involved in the synthesis of dicyclomine can also be constructed retrosynthetically. I guess this is somewhat lengthier. I have tried other synthesis to shorten, but I didn't feel it is rational to cut this synthesis. Okay, so I just felt to give you the full synthesis. So the starting materials are 1,5 dibromo pentane, okay, open-ended, and the other one is benzyl nitrile. Both are fused together by supplementing with NaNH2, that is sodamide. Sodamide helps in fusing both things. Okay, dibromopentane is cyclized to cyclohexane, and benzonitrile will be getting fused to the cyclohexyl rings. Once we got that intermediate, we will add ethanol. Okay, by utilizing H3O plus ions in excess in the solvent. Okay, we'll get ester, ethyl ester attached to our earlier intermediate. Okay, ethyl ester attached to our earlier intermediate. Now what we need is we need a side chain. We'll add side chain. That side, for that side chain we have taken NN diethyl sodium ethanoate, sodium ethanoate. Out of it, the ethyl sodium ethanoate molecule will be removed, and only side chain is taken, is attached to the ethyl group of this ester. Okay, we'll get the penultimate intermediate. That means one more step away. Okay, so what is needed when we compare this last intermediate with that of final structure of dicyclone? So this phenyl ring needs to be that means hydrogenated. That means they should be saturated. Saturation means removal of double bond. Okay, for that we will use the process called as reduction. For that we use hydrogen gas with the catalyst, that is platinum. Okay, by that we'll get dicyclomine. So it is very simple. So first fuse benzonitrile and 1,5 dibromopentane, then add ethanol, we will get ester, then add side chain. Okay, by using NN diethyl amino sodium ethanoate. Okay, after side chain is attached, just reduce the phenyl ring to cyclohexyl ring. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So that is the synthesis of dicyclomine hydrochloride.